Hello everyone. Good morning here from this one. I'm sorry I'm very late from this one. So I'm very tired and I'm gonna rest my resting here from this one. So in this today's here from this one in it is titled from this tournament is FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Team Championship 2025. So it means it's called Blitz Pool A. So it means without Blitz chess here from this one. So it means two analyzed games from this one. So it means these are two analyzed games from this one. So it means the first game from this one. So these are the teammates from China here from this one, and also between from this one in this international master Lu Miao Yi, aka Miao Miao. So it means Miao Miao versus the grandmaster in China is Hu Yifan. So it means these are grandmaster Hu Yifan from this one. So she was born in 1994 from this one. So after the first games, the next second games from this one, grandmaster in Qatar is Zhu Zhen from this one. So after the first game here from this one. So it means the blitz chess here from this one within 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment. So it means blitz chess here from this one. So in these 2 days here from this one in this first game in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this first game with the FIDE World Rapid Blitz Team Championship. So white plays Meow Meow is d4, d5 Hu, c4, e6 Queen's Gambit decline. So it means without Queen's Gambit, Knight c3. Without Knight c3, it's called Queen's Knight's variation. So this our code is one is Queen Knight's variation from this one. So it means Queen Knight's variation. And also a6 without a6 here. So these are the main line used by here is capture this pawn is Queen's Gambit accepted here from this one within captured here from this one. So it means Hu Yifan moves by a6 by Hu Yifan. So it means these are the a6 here. So these are the letter H from this first letter H, Hu Yifan. It means Hu Yifan here. So it means a6 by Hu Yifan and knight f3 by Miao Miao, knight f6 by Hu, and also bishop g5 by Miao Miao. So it means these are the without threatening by knights or threat by knights or without pin by queen. So it means without pinning here from this one. So these are the code determinations here from this one. And also capture this pawn without Queen's Gambit accepted by Hu Yifan. So it means without captured here, and also a4 and also h6 without threatening by bishop. Bishop captured accepted by knights without captured here from this one. Queen takes captured by knights, and also e4 or maybe without move by push by e5 by Meow Meow without tempos attacks by queen. So these are the continuations here from this one. And c5 without, so it means without c5 here without pawn. So it means none of this booklet by Hu Yifan. So it means according by recording by chess.com database here from this one. So it means novelty. So these are the old main line here is used by here by bishop to e7 or knight to c6. So it means without knight c6 here from this one. So Hu Yifan move by novelty is c5 by pawns here. So it means bad move by Hu Yifan. So it means without bad move by question mark or maybe without continuations here from this one. And also push d5 without good move by Meow Meow without good move here. And also knight d7 by Hu Yifan, and also bishop takes captured. So it means these are the captured here from this one. And knight b6 without tempos attacks by bishop. Without bishop. So it means without threatening by bishops here from this one. And also bishop backwards a2, so it means the backwards by bishop a2, so it means does not want of this computer engine by backwards by a2. So it means bad move by Meow Meow. So it means the best moves there is once compute accuracy is bishop to e2 without determinations or continuations here from this one. So these are the continuations by determinations without backwards or upcoming by castling by Meow Meow here from this one. So back there by bishop a2 by Meow Meow and capture this pawn. Good move by Ho Hi Fan. So it means great move and capture this pawn. Bishop g4 by Ho Hi Fan. So it means without threatening by knights or without queen by queen. Without queen. So it means the determinations here from this one. So it means these are continuations by connecting by bishop or queens here from this one. And castle kingside by Meow Meow. So it means bad move by castle kingside. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is one is queen to e2 check. So it means queen to e2 check. If you move by queen e7, if it queen takes accepted by queen takes accepted by check here from this one, and bishop takes e7 without upcoming castling. So if you do that, if you castling this one, if you castling here from this one or castling. So these are determinations or slightly betters from whites and blacks here from this one. These are continuations here. So back there, this one is castle kingside by Meow Meow and bishop takes captured. So it means mismove by Ho Hi Fan. So it means mismove. So the best moves there, this one is computer is bishop to e7. So bishop to e7 here from this one without continuations or maybe without determinations by continuations by bishop here from this one. So it means slightly better. So back there, this one is bishop takes captured by knights and rook e1 check. Oh, rook e1 check by Meow Meow. Good precise move. So it means good precise moves here from this one. And bishop e7, queen takes bishop, and Ho Hi Fan accepting queen takes, pawn takes, and rook d8. Oh, without rook d8 here from this one. So it means these are called slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. So it means slightly opposite color bishop. So it means these are determinations or the opposite color bishop. So it means it's called slightly opposite color bishop by this one without whites and blacks or without the determinations here from this one. So it means slightly opposite color bishop. And also rook e2 by Meow Meow or upcoming by battery. Without battery. So it means without battery or capture this bishop without check. Very dangerous by blacks here from this one without dangers here from this one. And also king f8. Without king f8 and a5. Sacrifice without tempos attacks by knights or threatening by knights here from this one without threatening by knights by this one. And also knight c8 by Ho Hi Fan or maybe without determinations or controls or with idea to move by here knight to d6 here from this one. So it means or knight to a7. So these are the controls here but without connecting by knights here. And also knight e4 or maybe without move decided here from this one, and also h5 by Ho Hi Fan. So it is without continuations, and rook c1 by Meow Meow or with the idea to tempos attacks by pawn. The tempos without attacking. So if you captured, if you attack this one, if you captured, capture this one. So it means these are realizations by connecting here from this one, and also rook h6 with idea to move by nothing special. Without nothing. I don't know what's continuations by here. So it means these are wrong my move here. So it means rook h6 by Ho Hi Fan here from this one, and knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, rook takes bishop. Without rook takes bishop here from this one, or maybe without controls here from this one. So it means these are the bishop versus knight. So it means bishop versus knight here from this one. So it means bishop by Meow Meow and knights by Ho Hi Fan. So it means bishop versus knight from this one. So it means double by rooks here from this one, and Knight d6 by Hu Hifan, or maybe with I decided here. I don't know what the continuations by move with idea to move here from this one. And also Rook c7 by Meow Meow without continuations, or with idea to, I don't know what ideas. Without move by here. Move by rook to e7 without continuations, or maybe decided by move by next move here from this one. And rook e8 by Hu Hifan without rook to rook, and rook e3 without rook e3 here from this one, and rook f6. So for example, in accept, why don't we accepting rook takes capture rook from this one, and also pawn takes e3, and decided this one is rook to f6 without continuations, without slightly betters from blacks here from this one. So it means continuations or determinations. So back there, this one is rook f6 here by Hu Hifan, and king g2, and rook g6 check, and also king f1, rook f6 go back without repeat, and also king e2, rook d8, and also bishop b1 with idea to the better this one by bishop here, and also g6 by Hu Hifan, and also bishop c2 by Meow Meow, rook f2 with idea to targets. I don't know what decided this one, or maybe without continuations, or with idea to knight to, I don't know, knight. Sorry, so it means very wrong my thinking from this one. So it means rook f4 by here by black pieces, and rook b3. So it means bad move by Meow Meow. So it means question mark. So the best moves there, this one is, so the best moves is b3. Without b3 by continuations here from this one. So back there is rook b3 by Meow Meow, and rook e3, rook e8 check. So it means X move by Hu Hifan. So the best moves there, this one is rook to e4. Rook to a4. So it means rook to a4 here from these best moves here. So it means without tempos attacks by pawns, or cannot decided to defense here from this one. These are the continuations here from this one. So back there, this one is rook e8 check here from this one, and rook e3 without protects by rook. So it means rook to rook. Rook d8 ignoring by black. So it means ignoring by Hu Hifan here from this one, and rook b3, another bad move by Meow Meow. So the best moves there is b3 again. Without b3, so it means very forgetting by this one. So it means b3 here from decided from this one. So it means without continuations here, or maybe without determinations from this one. So back there is rook b3 by Meow Meow, rook d4, bishop e4, knight takes captured. So it means bad move by Hu Hifan. So the best moves there is rook to e8. So it means without rook to e8 here from this one, without continuations, or without good slightly betters from blocks, etc., etc. So back there is knight takes e4 without capture this one, and pawn takes knight, rook takes e4 check, and also king f3 without good move by Meow Meow, or without continuations, and rook backwards e5, rook b takes b7 without code 7th rank by Meow Meow. So it means without 7th rank. So the total farm time clocks within 9 seconds by Meow Meow and 12 seconds by Hu Hifan. So it means it's called dying seconds here from this one, without dying seconds. And also rook f5 check, another good move by Hu Hifan, and king e4, another good move again by Meow Meow. So it means without good move. Rook takes captured pawn, and without idea to threatening by pawns, without next captured by pawns here from this one. And also b4, another good move again by Meow Meow, without good move here from this one. And also rook e2 check, so it means another bad move by Hu Hifan. So the best moves there is rook to e8 check. Without rook e8 check here from this one, and decided this one is king to d4. Oh, so it means king d4, or maybe king d4. Oh, sorry. So it means is if you decided this one is king d4. Oh, king d4 here. So it means king d4. Sorry, I got wrong my idea to decide it here from this one. And decided this one is rook to f3 check. So rook f4 check here from this one without rook f4 check. So I'm sorry I got wrong my thinking ideas. So it means the idea to seeing my eye to eye contacts here from this one. So it means I'm sorry. So back there, this one is rook e2 check here by Ho Hifan, and king d4. So it means mismove by Ho Hifan. So it means without mismove. So it means wrong move. So the best moves there is king to f4. King f4. So it means, so these are the evaluation bar is very good. So it means good here from these decisions here from this one. So it means without good here from this one. So back there, this one is king d4 and rook f2 with idea to move by check. Without check here from this one, without check here from this one, and king c5, rook f5, and also king c6. Rook takes captured, another bad move. So the best moves there is king to g8 force move. So it means without king g8, or without continuations here from this one, without slightly better from blocks here from this one. So back there is rook takes captured pawns without 6 rank. Rook takes captured, good move, and also king e8, and decided meow meow accepting rook takes captured, and also rook b6 without tempos attacks by pawns, and rook f4 with idea to, or maybe without move here from this one. So it means without continuation. So how many clocks? 4 seconds by Meow Meow and 5 seconds by Ho Hifan. So it means dying seconds. And also king c5, rook f5 check, and also king d6, rook f2. Without rook f2 with idea to capture this one, threatening targets by pawns, or maybe without pawns here from this one, without continuations here from this one, and also king e6, rook e2 check, and also king f6. So it means bad move by Meow Meow. So it means question mark. So the best moves there, this one is king to d5. Without king to d5 here from this one, without king to d5, or without the higher evaluation bar by whites here from this one. So back there, this one is king f6 here, and also rook b2. So it means mismove by Ho Hifan. So it means without mismove, and without mismove here from this one. So the best moves there is rook takes captured pawns. So it means rook takes captured. If you rook takes captured, and decided this one is rook to g2. Rook to g2 here from this one, without rook to g2, without continuations. So back there, this one is rook b2 by Ho Hifan, and king takes captured, wrong move by Meow Meow. So the best moves there is rook takes captured pawns. So you got rook takes captured pawns here from this one. So it means without determinations here from this one. So back there, this one is king takes g6, and also h4, another mismove by Ho Hifan. So the best moves there is rook takes captured pawn. So it means cannot see this one. So it means the determinations here from this one. So it means we don't have to forget here from this one. So back there, this one is h4 by Ho Hifan, and also h3 with a stop by pawns by blocks, and also rook b3 with a threatening by pawns, and also king g5, another bad move. So it means bad move by Meow Meow. So the best moves there is rook takes captured pawn. So it means very forgotten by Meow Meow. So it means without continuations. So it means without determinations, or we need to not forget here from this one. So back there, this one is king g5, and also Rook takes captured without defense by pawns, and rook takes captured. Oh, see that, very captured by this one. So it means, so 2 pawns by Meow Meow and 1 pawns by Ho Hi Fan. So it means 2 versus 1. And also, rook b3, good move by Ho Hi Fan, and rook b6, h3. So it means h3 here from this one, and a6. Upcoming this one without upcoming by pawns or promotes queen. Determinations by check. So it means that without determinations by check here from this one. And also h2, by Ho Hi Fan, upcoming by promotes by queens. So it means determinations here from this one. And also rook h6 without tempo attacks by pawns, and rook takes captured. So it means bad move by Ho Hi Fan. So it means without bad move. So the best moves there is rook to a3 without tempos attack. So it means rook a3 here, or so it means tempos attacks by pawn. So it means rook a3 is the best moves here. So back there, this one is rook takes captured pawns, and rook takes captured pawn. So it means no pawns by Ho Hi Fan. So it means 1 pawn only by Meow Meow. And also rook a4 without tempos attacks by pawns, and rook h6. So it means bad move. So it means bad move here. So the best moves there is rook to h8 check. So it means rook h8 check. If you king d7 here, if you king d7 and rook to a8. So it means slightly better from whites here from this one. So back there, this one is rook h6 here by defense by pawns, and good move king d8 by Ho Hi Fan. King f5, king c7, without determinations, or upcoming by so it means realizations here without kings. So king c7 by Ho Hi Fan, and also king e5 by Meow Meow. King b8, upcoming by without move by a7 king, or targets by pawns. So it means if you capture this one, so if you capture this one, so it means without captured. So it means, so if you king d7, so it means without threatening by pawns. If you decided this one, if you capture this one, or capture this one, and king captured, so it means draw. So it means without draw here from this one. So let's continue. King b8 by Ho Hi Fan, and king d5 by Meow Meow. King a7, upcoming this one without tempos attacks by pawns, or if you capture this one, if you captured, or king takes captured, so it means draw. Same draw by both, by 2 here from this one, without same draw here from this one. And king c5, rook takes captured, and king takes captured. So it means same by draw from this first game. So it means draw by same draw. So it means the score by Meow Meow, 78.2 by Meow Meow, and 75.5 by Ho Hi Fan. So it means wins for Ho Hi Fan. So it means Ho Hi Fan from this one. So the next second game, so these are the Blitz Pool A between Meow Meow versus the Zhujian from Qatar from this one. So next game from this second game, let's see. So the next second game here from this one, so it means Blitz by Pool A, so it means 3 minutes and 2 seconds increment from this one. So it means, so the second games here from this one between International Master in China Meow Meow versus Grandmaster in Qatar Zhujian here from this one. So it means in this part of this video, we have analyzed from these second games. So e4 by Meow Meow, d6 by Zhujian. So it means it's called perch defense here from this one. And also d4, knight f6 without knight f6 here, or upcoming by here by pawns, or if you capture this one, captured, and decided this queen takes captured, king takes captured, and decided king takes captured. So it means without king takes captured here from this one, and so it means knight c3, and e5, and also knight f3 here. So it means it's called by Philidor defense by Nimzowitsch variation. So it means without it's called variation by Nimzowitsch variation from this one. And also knight bdd7, so it means knight bd7 here from this one, and also g4, without upcoming by push by g5 or tempos attacks by knights here from this one. So within tempos attacks here from this one, and knight takes captured by pawns, so it means knight takes g4 and rook g1 with the tempos attacks by knights and capture this pawn. So it means none of this booklet by Zhu Zhen. So these are the old main line here is go back knight to knight g f6. So it means knight to g f6 here from this one without continuations here from this one. So back there, this one is pawn takes captured and also queen takes captured. So it means X is moved by Meow Meow. So it means that's not one of this computer. So the best moves there is knight takes captured pawn. So realize here if you decided this one is go back knight to gf6 here from this one without continuations. So back there, this one is queen takes d4 and also knight de5. Without knight de5 here or captured by knights. Knight takes captured and knight takes captured. Why don't we pawn takes captured knights here from this one, and decided queen takes accepted here and king takes d8. Without continuations, without examples, and decided this one is slightly better from whites and blacks. So back there, this one is knight takes e5 and bishop e2. We'll realize here from this one without determinations, and knight c6 without tempos attacks by queens or threatening by queens. Threatening by queens or tempos attacks, this one, and queen d3 and also knight e5, another tempos attacks by queen, and queen g3 without doubles. Without doubles here from this one, so it means doubles. Or realize here by this one, it is continuations by good examples here. And also bishop d7, so it means bad move by Zhu Zhen from this one. So the best moves there is one is g7 without upcoming by bishop or coming castling king side here from this one without coming castling king side. Like determinations or good examples. So back there, this one is bishop d7 by Zhu Zhen and also bishop g5 with a threatening by tempos attacks by queen. With a queen here from this one. And also f6 with a threatening by bishop backwards e3 by Meow Meow, or maybe without doubles by bishop. So it means double here from this one, and c6 by Zhu Zhen and also f4 good move by Meow Meow, knight to backwards f7, castling queenside by Meow Meow, so it means without castling, and also queen a5 and also bishop c4 b5 with a threatening by bishop backwards b3, and b4 without strongest move by Zhu Zhen, so it means without Zhu Zhen here from this one with a threatening by knights or tempos attacks by knights here from this one. And also knight to e2 with the idea to realize here from this one, and knight d8 without controls here, or maybe without with idea to knight to b7 or move by knight to c5, so it means without move, or maybe L here, so it means letter L here from this one. And also knight d4, or maybe with idea to decided here from this one, and without move by here, with a decided is one is knight to f5 or continuations here from this one. And also c5 with a threatening by knights, knight to f5, bishop e6 without bishop to bishop, so it means another bad move. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured knight, so it means captured here knights here from this one. So back there, this one is bishop e6 and knight takes g7 check without good move by Meow Meow, so it means very strongest move here from this one. And also bishop takes captured, queen takes captured with the tempos attacks by rooks, Oh, without threatening attacks by rooks or upcoming by mating net here from this one, and rook f8 and rook takes d6. Oh my god. Oh my god. Upcoming by mating net or without threatening by bishop captured. So it means without bishop captured. These are upcoming battery here from this one. And also bishop f7. Oh, with idea to move by here without battery by rook to d1 without upcoming by battery without upcoming by meeting net here from this one, and rook gd1 c4 without tempest attacks by pawns, and bishop takes captured sacrifice. Without sacrifice here from this one, without sacrifice by this one, and queen c7, and the last shot this one is bishop b5 check. So it means resigned by Zhu Zhen. Why? Because if you decided this one is why she resigns, if you decided this one is king to e7 only move here, and also queen takes f6 mating net. So it means wins for white by Meow Meow. What a win from this one in this 15-year-old Meow Meow. So it means Lu Miao Yi from this one. So it means winning shot by whites here from this one. So the score from this one in this white accuracy by Meow Meow is 93.7. So it means highest score points. And the score by Zhu Zhen is 78.6. So it means low satisfactory. So it means lose by black. So the winner from this one is Meow Meow. So it means without Meow Meow here from this one. So next this one from this from this analyze here from this Philippines versus Russia. So it means so I will analyze games here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Have a good day. Keep safe. Bye bye.